Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. Today, I'm showing you a 2 cup of lavender flowers. These are two different types of lavender, but they both are very popular. My first question is, do you know what types lavender are those? And in this video, I will talk about the types of lavender, how to make a lavender essential oil and hydrosol at home, and what are the benefits of these different types of lavender flowers, and how can we use this lavender. I have used over tens of different herbs, and I would say lavender is my best one. The best herb I like to use every day, including its lavender essential oil and the lavender hydrosol. But there are different types of lavender in the world. There are over 48 different types and over almost 500 different varieties. But within these all the 48 types, there are 3 major types. The first one is called English lavender. It also has a name called true lavender. So sometime you heard of true lavender. So what is a true lavender? They're all true lavender. So true lavender is the English lavender. It has the botanical name called Lavendula augustifolia. And the second type is called a Portuguese lavender. It's also called a spike lavender, and the botanical name is Lavender latifolia. And the last one is called a Lavendin. The most popular variety of a Lavendin is a Provence, the French Lavendin. The lavender grow in this area in the France because they are intermediate of English and Portuguese. So the blend of the 2 different types make this fast growing and a high oil content breed that is called a Lavendin. Lavendin is so popular to be used in cosmetics, perfumes, and even household cleaning detergent products because they have a better yield of essential oil, so make them more economically benefit. And in the world, every year the true lavender or the English lavender oil has 200 metric tons. And the Lavendin comparatively are 5 times more. They have 1,000 tons. So Lavendin has a better chance, to go to your place because they have a higher production. But what are the difference between these 2 types of lavender? So true lavender, as I show you in the beginning the picture, so one of it has a lighter purple color and more like a gray yellowish color. They have a smaller bud size, and that is called a true lavender. That is English lavender. And the more purple one have a stronger or bigger buds. That's the Lavandin. When I smell them, they have a bit of difference between these 2 flowers. The true lavender has a more flower scent. It doesn't have some like a sharp or more pungent scent as a Lavandin. Lavandin has also the flower scent, but also has something a bit of a stronger. They both are very good. So don't misunderstand me. So they both are very good. Personally, I love Lavendin a lot. So we talk about the types of lavender flower, and now I'm going to show you how to make a lavender essential oil and hydrosol at home. So the process is called steam distillation. So the steam will go through the flower beds and it will carry the volatile compounds, that is essential oil, and a portion of the volatile compounds will go into the water phase, that is the hydrosol. So hydrosol is a second product made during the distillation. So it also contains a lot of beneficial phytochemicals as the essential oil. So while I'm doing the distillation, so I'll explain what is the difference between the true lavender and a lavendin. From their phytochemical composition angle, the true lavender essential oil and the lavendin essential oil has a quite similar composition, So they both have linalool, linoleic acetate. These are the two major chemicals within both of the essential oils. The major difference between the true lavender oil and the lavendin oil contains about 8% of camphor, and the true lavender oil has 0.4%. So it's quite little, very little bit camphor within the true lavender oil, but lavendin has quite strong or higher percent of the camphor. That's why the lavendin has a more stronger or sharp scent compared with true lavender. But camphor actually is quite popularly being used to make medicines. And one of the most popular one is vapor rub. It is an over-the-counter medicine. It can be used to help relieve the congestion of our respiratory system and also help relieve pains, analgesic benefits. So that is come from the camphor. The true lavender essential oil and the lavendin essential oil had a quite similar uses. They both are good for the wound cleaning, can help relieve the stress and help clean our skin, keep the skin healthy. Little different between these two. The true lavender essential oil has more benefits on helping us sleep because they have a stronger linalool, and the lavendin has some better like antibacterial. It can help antiseptic, has a stronger the skin cleansing properties. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel to learn about different kind of herbs and how to use them and their benefits. And this is Leo at the LeTime. See you next time.